drug was recently approved by the FDA to help slow down Alzheimer's.
Channel 8's Mackenzie Johnson tells us more. Mackenzie?
It's a massive milestone for those who are diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. While it's not a cure, it gives hope for the future. There are 36,000 Nebraskans living with Alzheimer's disease. Now, some of them will be eligible for a drug that could change their life.
This has really been the first very good treatment that's come available. And so, I use the term hope, and that's not one we take lightly. I mean, this provides a lot of people a lot of hope.
The lecanemab drug, more commonly called Leqembi, was approved by the FDA. After trials, the results showed that it slowed the progression of the Alzheimer's disease for those with early onset symptoms.
It's a big deal for these people because it will allow them to essentially have more time with their loved ones, to enjoy another, a birthday at home, or to see grandson graduate.
The drug is only intended for use on people diagnosed with early onset Alzheimer's. It's designed to attack plaque that builds up on the brain. In Alzheimer's patients, that plaque builds up and causes their cells to die. Leqembi is not a cure, but it has been proven to slow the speed of the disease by around 27%. Faustman says the main goal is to add to the quality of life for patients, giving them more time before the disease becomes too severe. For people who meet the qualifications, they would receive an IV infusion once every 2 weeks. It's an expensive treatment.
People who with the disease who were seeking this treatment would have paid for it out of pocket, and it's extremely costly, as you can imagine. It's something like $26,000 per year.
Now, since it's FDA approved, Medicare will cover the cost, making it much more accessible to those who want to use it. Faustman says this could be the start of something bigger.
This drug is just one of many different approaches that are now just kind of being researched and studied in the scientific field, and it's an exciting time to be involved with Alzheimer's because, like I said, more of these treatments, more of these drugs, more of these studies are coming down the pike, and this will only be the first of a lot.
Now, the drug does carry some risks for patients. You can read more about that in this story on our website at klkntv.com.
Mackenzie Johnson, thank you very much for our top news story tonight.